Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. I sound like shit. Okay? I've been sick for the last couple days. Oh, boo-hoo! But we got some things to go on. We have some work to do on Lashundra. She's my free 99 duramax.
For sounds good to me.
But first, I'll get you some parts here in just a second.
One week later.
So when I got the truck, it had a really bad injection pump. Well, I didn't have a bad injection pump. The guy took and put gasoline through it. So the injection pump was toast. Now, he didn't have the knowledge or the technology as he did back then. Now he has. Okay, so with that being said, when he took off the gear for the injection pump, he destroyed it. I mean, like, physically destroyed it. Like, it split in two pieces now. So it needs an injection pump, but we need to figure out if the center part or anything has fallen down into the engine. So I brought a borescope over there, and we're gonna borescope our crate case and see what's going on with our injection pump. Okay, it sits kind of in the front of the motor. Okay, and a gear slides in and meshes with a bunch of other gears. And that's how these Zuzus and Duramaxes work, and diesels work. You know, it's better, stuff like that. So we have here a 10-foot oscilloscope or borescope. We're just gonna check the health of this. We're just gonna check the health of this motor and to see if anything is toast.
Today, Junior? Well, we're waiting.
Okay, we'll give you guys a better view of this. Okay, so as we can see, we have a nice little display, and we're just gonna feed it. Down below, if we can, into our gear pump housing. It's kind of hard to see, but okay, as far as we can see, nothing is jammed down there. So this is a good sign.
Hell yeah.
No, well, nothing I can see down there in the ordinary. Let's see if we can get this down the injection hole. Let's see if we can see what's going on. Alright, so it looks like we're A-okay in the department of there's nothing shoved down there. Since that's good, we've got some shitty situations to deal with. We gotta change these mirrors. Now, since I own 3 of these trucks, or 3 of the same year and models, I have a brand new driver's mirror and a passenger mirror that can go on this thing. So, what we're gonna do tonight is we're gonna change these mirrors. Okay, get rid of these crappy extended mirrors that are all janked up and cracked, and we're gonna put them on, and we're gonna make them good. We're gonna make it good. We're gonna give Lashundra some love. Yeah, give her the love she needs. Oh yeah, some bitch. Now the best thing about GM is they're very simple creatures. Inexpensive and cheap. That's why I like them. But when you get the diesels, it kind of gets pretty fucking expensive. But we're gonna suck it up. We're gonna get this truck going. Because we have like, I don't know, we got like a month and a half to get this thing on the road. When it comes to like Chevy door handles and Chevy panels, okay, they're pretty forward. You really don't have to take off much. Okay, couple door handles. Okay, take off your door handle surrounding. Okay, pop out our controls here. There's a bee. There's a bee. Oh no! It might have gone now, but there's a bumblebee. Because it's nice. It's nice out here. There's nothing in here, buddy. I don't want to hurt him because it's just a bumblebee. Without bumblebees, we wouldn't have our our planet. Yeah. Okay, so usually they have a couple screws. Okay, some have rear panels here and here. So usually they're like a 7mm, because you know GMs don't use metric. Oh, maybe newer days, newer models. Pop out these door handles. And the best thing about this, I don't have to program or do anything. These mirrors will just plug in and work, because this is an 05, and 05 or 03 to 05 and 06 use the identical interior bits. They just different packages. So like this one's an SLE. Okay, so that means it's got cloth seats, no center console, and no Bose sound system. But we'll fix that. We'll put a kick-in sound system. Here's you have like a little screwdriver. There's a little tabs right here you can pop out. Once you pop those out, then we'll get this door panel off. Got our trusty needle suppliers. Ah! You didn't think I was gonna fucking do it. I did. Just suck it up. Ah. I was mistaken. I forgot. This is a Torx. See? It's a Torx. And whoever invented Torx can suck a dick, because that's what this truck is built. The engine's built at 90%. Thank God I'm a mechanic and I've got all the tools I need to fix this. Okay, so now that that's all done, these are out, that's out, literally just go like yonder, and fucking pops off. Now, the only downside is, so you have a little party here. Okay. Oh no, I broke the. You guys can see that. I did not break any tweeters.
You sure about that?
You didn't see fuck all.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
Okay, so mirror has 310s holding it. Okay, we're gonna take those 310s out and we're gonna throw this out. Actually, I'm not gonna throw it out because I'm just gonna throw it on my other vehicle. Now, good faith fashion. My phone is almost dead, but I also lost my other 10. There's a lot of other things I should have been doing right now, but Lashundra needs some more, so kind of got pushed to the front. Actually, I got pushed to the front. Tahoe's out, but it's good. Okay, can't really go wrong with a $3.99 diesel. Now, hopefully, it doesn't cost too much to get back on the road. I'm estimating about like a I don't know, like maybe like a $2,500. So now that we've taken out those 3 bolts here, all I have to do is just go and look at those fucking mirror. But for my sakes, I'm gonna keep this mirror because it's still somewhat good. But for safety, that will pass. And I have a good one right there. Fucking $3.99, bitches. So we're gonna do the same thing, just reverse the process. Don't touch me. What the fuck is going on? Okay, fine. We'll just. Oh yeah. When I'm not looking, it fucking goes in there. Maybe not. It was. So I'm gonna struggle with this thing with another 5 minutes here.
1 week later.
Alright, I kind of struggled, but I got the. And with a little bit of YouTube magic, and just like that, our door panel is back together, and our mirror is changed. Now we're gonna do the other side. So let's just we'll do fast. We'll do YouTube magic. So it's like same thing. We're gonna take off this, and this, and blink and you'll miss. So like I said, this one, the only downside is it's non-power, no signal light, but that's okay because it's like brand new and it's free. It was sitting in the Suburban. And Kane is over there doing some road construction, building roads. Thank you for your service, good man. Okay. The backbreakers of this prairie. And just like that, it's back together. And that's it for me tonight. We'll give you some good beauty shots of this thing. Still looks in good condition. And we'll have a good night, and we'll see you on the next episode. And I believe it's going to be on her, on Lashundra here, because we got a lot of work to do. because I've got 2 months, month and a half to get it running. Enjoy your evening, have a good night, and we'll see you on the fly.